It's picture day. Do you want me to fix your hair? You do too want me to do your hair. Why?
Because I want to do it by myself.
It is currently the worst day of my life. You want me to fix your hair for school? Okay, hallelujah, because your hair, have you seen it? Can I use the gel? Of course I can use the gel. Like always, I'm gonna link the products that I use for my kids' hair in the description for you guys. However, I'm also going to add this blow dryer. I've had this blow dryer for many years now. Yes, it's a little pricey. It's the best blow dryer I've ever owned in my entire life. I don't think you could ever purchase a better blow dryer than this. We use it for our dog, we use it for our kids, I use it for myself. Like, it's just the best. Onto my hair. I've had this brand of brush before and I was just like, you know, this is not all it's hyped up to be. And then I used my friend's and I fell in love with it because of like the handle on it and because of the way it tames. Do you hear how it just like is kind of going through my hair? You would think all brushes were the same. However, did you see Olivia shaking her head?
No,
they are not created equal.
So I remember Dad in 2nd grade where he tried to comb my hair, but he ripped out all my hair. Phew.
Is this your new lunchbox?
Yes.
Wow, what is in here?
Blueberries and strawberries.
Hypothetically, if you were to take this lunchbox and it breaks, blueberries and strawberries are gonna go everywhere, right? Mm-hmm. Let's not take this out of the kitchen, okay? Maybe we could put these things in a Ziploc bag. Oh, you think that's a terrible idea?
Yeah, because then the blueberries and the strawberries will get bad because there's no air out.
Oh.
Because there's little holes in it so you can like...
So they can like breathe and stuff. Apparently I know nothing. and you're the smartest child in the world. Yeah, see, this makes me really nervous. You too? Did you see his face? He's like, yeah, I'm nervous too. I'm looking for my phone because on my way home from working out, I used like the voice command to write some notes because I didn't want to forget what I was thinking. And I'm not gonna talk this whole vlog. I'm gonna make this kind of fast because there's so many other fun things that I want to like show you guys today. This was my thought as I worked out today. It felt like a big breakthrough for me. I used to hate when I would hear people say things that were like, oh, losing weight is a mental thing as well. If you are not ready to change your mental status, I don't think you are ready to like change your physical status. I've tried to recreate my baseline for what I want my food to be. I want to eat healthy, and so here's like my healthy line. Of course there are days where I skyrocket and I eat things that I shouldn't, but then I come back down to my like natural, normal, here's my healthy eating state is right here. I feel like I kind of have been running at this like high stress level, and that's how I've lived my life, and that's how I've parented, and I've been up here on this stress level. I've really been working on just like my mental. I think you guys can tell, I think you can see. I hope you can, I feel it anyway. I have been trying to not only reprogram myself to bring my stress levels down, so you've got your food on a healthy level, you've got your mind on a neutral level, and I feel like I'm doing that for the first time, and I just wanted to like share it with you. I am learning these new things too, so there's that. I'm gonna keep it short. I never film getting my nails done because I don't want to hear it, but yes. We're going long. All right, I must admit, these are making me pretty happy, I am not sad about it at all.
Cutie.
Hi, boyfriend. I like seeing you working out here.
Oh my gosh.
You like
I
those?
haven't seen those in a while.
Yes.
We're excited about them. Those new earrings?
Yes, thank you for noticing. I will link them in the description for everyone below.
That's a good diversion right there.
Seriously, my favorite dates are construction dates.
got quite a few of these.
Because it makes me like appreciate you. It makes me see how hard you're working and it.
Oh, man.
Nothing like a good old sub for lunch. Usually I've been doing like just like a protein shake, but today we hungry.
You eat a lunch and nothing for dinner. Taste good?
Why do you mean it? Just because you flipping mean it.
I do mean it. I don't want to bump your makeup.
He doesn't want to bump my makeup. Good boy.
You know my role.
I like you.
I like you.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Oh, hungry.
You don't care if my mouth is full of food. You're just gross with your mouth full of food.
I know that. This is so good.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
I'm so beat. Looks like we had such a relaxing weekend.
All right, next stop for the day is the paint store. I already have all of my paint colors picked out. I did that with my designer friend, Ashley. And so I already have all the colors picked out. I just want to go in and like get the swatches so I can like take a picture and just kind of like see them all together, you know? My next stop is flooring, and I kind of just wanted to get an idea of what they had in the stores versus what they had online. I feel so lost at what I want to do with the flooring. It's just driving me crazy. I think my best bet is to get online because that has everything, and get some samples from online is what I think I'm gonna end up doing. Let me show you the finalized paint colors. This first color is going to be the color of the roof. This is going to be the color of the front door. This is going to be the exterior paint color. And this is going to be the trim, the white trim on the outside and on the inside. And then this is a warmer gray for the inside of the house. You can tell like this is a cool gray, this is a warm gray. I love the paint colors. However, I don't know which color of floor to go with. I could go with this one and it would just be very like monotone, you know, with these. Monotone? Monochromatic. This is like, it still has like the grayish in it, but it has like a lot of warmth to it. And then there's this one that's like a really like a blonde wood. It doesn't have any like gray to it. And I don't know what I think would like look better or would be the most neutral for another buyer. So I'm relying on you guys. Please come to my Instagram. I will have my handle right here on the screen. It's linked in the description. Come to my new post and tell me which flooring sample you would do. Like what you would do as far as the flooring goes. Please come and tell me because I like desperately need your opinion. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya!